Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg here with you today. We're going to show you how to spatchcock a turkey. So to give you a reference, this is a 16-pound turkey. We've gone ahead and removed our giblet-SACK and neck from the cavity. Make sure before you cook the bird, reach inside there and get that stuff out. You don't want to cook it with that package in there. So one of the benefits to spatchcocking this turkey is it's going to cook a lot faster. So this is a 16-pound turkey. It's probably going to cook right about 2 hours. So the easiest way to spatchcock it is if you stand it up, you can see where that spinal column is. We're actually going to take a knife and cut on either side of that. If you don't want to use a knife, you can use some kitchen shears, but honestly, it's pretty easy just to do this. So again, you can see I've removed that spinal column. This is fantastic. You can put this in the smoker, save this for stock, and get some great flavor for your gravy. Now to make this bird sit flat, the top of the rib cage here, you want to put a notch in here and flatten it out, and that'll help that sit nice and easy. So just give about a little cut in there, and that'll snap open. And if you look, now we have a perfectly spatchcocked turkey ready for the grill.